trying to get my hair to become really huge. But it's not working. I've been fluffing it and teasing it all day, but this is me.
What?
My hair not seem to get in big. Yeah. I had to twist it around to get big curls at the front. Today is Big Air Day. I am basically going to style my hair. I think I like it like this. So for the summer, I'll be wearing my hair out like this for the summer, or I'm gonna wear it up in a ponytail most of the time. Yeah, so I'll be wearing short hairstyle, curly hairstyles, stuff like that for the summer. I won't be wearing any braids. I won't be doing any heat to my hair because I'm trying to keep it big. And I realize because we go to the beach or play the pool, salt water, stuff like that, I don't want my hair to be damaged because I do have relaxed hair now or processed hair now, so I don't want to over do anything to it. So I'm gonna keep it in a natural what is this, the way it is now. And also I realize some part of my hair is breaking, like right here, or because I cut it down to do bangs or stuff like that, so I don't want to overdo anything to it where I lose all of it. Yeah, so this is what my hair is gonna basically look like most of the time when you see me in vlogs, or be up in a ponytail. But first of all, I'm gonna show you the style that you guys will see me wear for this summer in this vlog. So the second style I am doing is an eye puff. day. As you can see, it's another day. Good day. I'm gonna do another style today. Part of my summer style. I'm gonna do my final style. Okay. Oh, my hair is dry. Dry. Oh, you want to scratch your head? Boy, feel like paradise. And this is basically a part of my lazy easy summer hairstyle because I'm lazy and I don't really like combing my hair. So you basically part your hair and you do this. Also, people, please remember to like, subscribe and share the videos so other persons can watch them. And also we're trying to go to 500 subscribers, so remember to like, subscribe and share the video. Help us reach our 500 subscriber goal. Yeah, so please help us reach our 500 subscriber goal.